Okay, I'll try to explain this as easily as possible. So I put your sequence into the timeline. I've navigated the playhead now to the first frame of what I want to change or add motion to or change the scale. So once I have that first frame, I'm going to then change it to the blade and make a cut. And then I'm going to move the playhead to the end of the shot. Using the arrow keys on the keyboard. There we go. Make a cut. Then I want to highlight it. And then that brings me and shows the effects control. So we're going to be doing the position and scale. So let's go back. And at the very beginning, go back to the very first frame again. And I want to change the scale because I think this is the second piano shot. So I want to start a little tighter. Probably just start with something like that. And I'm going to add a keyframe, and my first keyframe I toggle right here. I'm going to click right inside there and inside the scale, and then that adds this little half diamonds right there as our keyframe. That's our first keyframes. So we're going to start with the shot like that. Then we're going to move one frame to the right. I'm going to move the arrow key just one click. Boom, just like that. I can create now a new keyframe. All right, so that's created now another keyframe with the exact same parameters that we had before, which is fine. I just want to have that there because now we're going to make a move, and I'm going to move the key now, or the playhead here, right to where this little bump in the audio is, because I think that's where his soundbite starts underneath the B-roll. So that's where I want the movement to stop. So that's where I'm going to create a new keyframe. Instead of clicking here though, as soon as I move the scale or the positions, it will create a keyframe for me. So I know I'm going to be going in tighter, so I'm going to go in and click and scrubby it closer. I don't know how far we can go before it starts getting blurry, but I'm going to go there for now. And it's already created the first keyframe there. And now I'm going to click, scrubby, I guess, scrub, click, and then move the frame over to keep him in the shot like that. And now that's created those two keyframes. And now let's play back and see what it looks like.
Beautiful pieces can come out of that.
Pianist has the same hope as many musicians have with their music.
My goal with all the songs that I play for people is for...
Pretty cool. You could do that with the other shots too. You could start going from left to right on the first shot of the Delhi group. Good luck.